device. People call it memory devices also. See, these are devices that are used to store data temporarily or to store data permanently in the computer, like hard disk, RAM, ROM. We will be discussing about this thing in details. See, the memory of the computer again can be divided into two parts: primary memory and the secondary memory. RAM and ROM are part of the primary memory. CD, DVD, pen drive, hard disk, many types of external devices that store data are part of the secondary memory. Again, RAM again can be divided into two parts: DDR and SDDR. Similarly, ROM can be divided into three parts: PROM, EPROM and EEPROM. We will be discussing all this. So let me first explain to you what is a primary memory. Primary memory includes ROM and RAM and is located close to the CPU on the computer motherboard. That enables the CPU to read data from the primary memory very quickly. So these are memories that are present in the motherboard near the CPU, so that basically used for quick calculation, and it stores little bit of data, but the processing power of these storage devices are very fast. It's a fast storage device. It is used to store data that the CPU needs immediately, so that it does not have to wait for it to be delivered. So if I want to process some very quick data, I store it in the primary memory. So primary memory consists of two things I told you: RAM and ROM. So what is RAM? RAM stands for random access memory. RAM is a short-term memory where data is stored and when the processor needs it. Till the processor needs it, as and when the processor needs it, the data is stored there. It is a temporary memory. It is volatile in nature, means data that is stored in RAM gets deleted whenever we switch off the computer. Then comes ROM. The full form of ROM is read-only memory. It is a type of non-volatile memory, means the memory does not get deleted. It is a permanent memory. Data stored in ROM cannot be changed, so we cannot change the data that is stored in ROM. Even if the current goes, even if we switch off the computer, the data that is stored in ROM will be there. Next time when we on the computer, the data will still be there. Then there are three types of ROM. PROM, programmable read-only memory. These are kind of ROMs that can be programmed only once. Once it is programmed, it is permanent. Then comes EPROM, erasable programmable read-only memory. It is similar to PROM. We can program it once, and if I want to delete the program, I put it near ultraviolet ray. When I put it in front of any ultraviolet light, the data inside the ROM or you can say PROM gets deleted, and again you can reprogram it. There is another one known as EEPROM, or electrically erasable programmable read-only memory. Here what happens is, whenever you want to erase the data in a EEPROM, you just give some electrical signals into it. Electrically the data is removed from the ROM, and again we can program it. That is why it is written as electrically erasable programmable read-only memory.